Hello guys, this is my Insignia B and I want to show you what are the damages before I send it for repair. You can see the front fender, both of the doors and also the rear fender and also the rims. Let's see how it will look after they fix it. After 1 month the car is ready, but you can see the spare wheel on the back. And they've put the spare wheel on the back because the right rear rim is cracked. You can see the crack, and they didn't want to fix this rim because of this crack. And these are bad news because I have to pay myself if I want to fix the rim. Now I'm going to weld it. These are the stock Insignia rims, but they are not very good because this is my second rim that is cracked. And this is the rim after they welded with argon. They've painted with black paint. We can't see the weld. And also I've bought a new tire valve because the old one was cut and broken. And this is the new one. The interesting thing is that this tire sensor doesn't want to synchronize with the car, and I don't know why. Now let me show you the car. You can see the front rim is fixed, it's like new. This is just dirt, I will have to clean it. The rim is like new, it was very bad. They've made it with special technology. You can see the doors and also the rear fender. You can't tell that there was anything here, but sadly the rear rim is the same as before. And a little update on the tire pressure sensor. After driving for a few days and almost 20 kilometers, the rear tire sensor synchronized with the car, so I will not have to go to the Opel dealer, which is good. That's it for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.